Hey there, are you new into product management and wondering what product discovery is? Don't worry, stay tuned on this video. I'm going to be breaking it down in the simplest form. So product discovery is the first step for a successful product development, right? And it's about understanding your user's need, identifying the problem and solutions to actually solve that problem for your user before then going into development phase. So look at it as a detective work. You're literally gathering clues through user research, interviews, and data that you can find around to answer three big questions. Who are my users? What problem are they experiencing? And how can I solve this problem for them using my products? So typically, if I want to conduct a product discovery, for instance, here are the key steps that I would actually recommend. They might not be exhaustive, but because it's a short video, I'll just provide them. So because I'm not building the product myself, the first thing I do is to identify the users of these products. Once you've identified the users, right, you conduct different interview and research to actually find out their pain points, and from there you're able to actually define a solution. So typically there's a quantitative and there's a qualitative approach towards getting your feedback, right? So I recommend you actually focus on both approach, gather your data and analyze that to actually make sense out of it and then propose like possible solutions to solve those pain points that you've identified during your research. You don't just come up with solutions yourself. Most times you need to discuss with your team members, discuss with subject matter experts based on the pain points you've identified, and then define like proper solutions, like different solutions, and then you are able to then prioritize those solutions and look at which one best fits the problem you are trying to solve for your users, pain points that you actually identified from your initial user research. After getting the solution and prioritizing the best fit solution, then you need to actually build a prototype and test. So in this case, you are building a model of the solution you actually selected and testing with selected users as well, a focus group, to actually validate these ideas before then going into development. So product discovery is very important because it helps you minimize risk and it actually prevents you from building a product that people won't use. Because most times we feel like, oh, this is what this product should do. We work from the solution as opposed to working from the customer's pain point or the user's pain point before building our product. It's also important for me to emphasize that you need to actually make data-driven decisions before actually going to development phase. So engage your users, make use of data from your user research, your interviews and whatnot, right? Also ensure you are prioritizing the right solution to solve this. Ensure you are validating those ideas by building a prototype and then testing with selected focus group just to be sure that what you are actually proposing to build actually solves a particular problem. Again, make data-driven decisions before building your products and ensure you validate these ideas with your clients. If you want to get more insight about product management, don't forget to follow Tips PM Insights. See you again later, guys.